Dave Hino, I'm stoked. I got my new Volkl Grizzlies. Look at these bad Larrys. They're still in the wrapper, virgin. They have 2 rods in it that adjust the actual tension in the ski. They got these wide rider bindings by marker. They sit up on these rails, keep it nice and stiff. Nice shovel tip with a 89 millimeter waist. These things are badass, dude. With the Volkl, with the power switch technology. That's what up. Anyway, storm chasers, fishing season still in full swing, but I am thinking about skiing.